When an airplane takes off and climbs, there is a sensor, there's more than one, called an angle of attack sensor that essentially measures the attitude of the aircraft, you know, how high, how steeply is it climbing, how shallow. And if you lift up the airplane too high, it can stall. So the angle of attack sensor was faulty on the Indonesian flight, and essentially gave the impression that the nose was too high. And so the software, it's called MCAS software, said, oh, I better get the nose down, and it can actually force the nose down. And the pilot said, no, it's not too high. So he countered that. And then a number of seconds later, the MCAS software kicked in again and tried to force it down again. And he said, no, I got to climb. And eventually, unfortunately, the pilot lost that fight with this software. And that is what happened with the Lion Air. So the result there is that the airplane tends to oscillate in this conflict between the software and the pilot. And that's what had some similarities on the Ethiopian flight.